Peaches. Over here. What you doing, Sierra? Is that what you're doing? What are you doing? She's taking her steps.
I just have to keep calling that number. If they want to let her know that her appointment has been canceled today, he just see her go all the way to the doctor's office because he ain't going to be there. Did she walk from out of there?
Yes.
She's doing good.
Yes.
Get it out of there. I don't want it. I don't want it.
Sierra.
Hey.
Come here. Don't crawl. Stand.
Don't let her walk down.
Gotta walk to me. Yeah.
Watch her on that table.
I know. I wanted you to walk to me. That's no fun. Peaches is in her way.
She's walking down all the way down there. I figured if that phone rang enough that Patrick's in there later.
You need your britches pulled up, girl.
It's hard to walk in your pants.
Yeah.
Walk on your pants.
I know. Yes. Well, we're making such a big deal about her walking now. When she does start actually walking, then it's not going to be a big deal anymore.
She'll be out. She'll be gone.
I know. How come you don't walk for me? Yeah? How come you're not walking for me? How come you're not walking for me? You got pretty eyes? Let's see your pretty eyes. Show me your pretty eyes. Sierra. Yeah, she knows how to do pretty eyes.
Yeah, I know. Pull her pants.
Pretty eyes.
So she can walk.
Show me your pretty eyes. Pretty eyes. Let's see the pretty eyes. Come on.
She's too busy. She always